Hi Libra, welcome po sa Glimpse 369. So tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. This is a timeless read. So tingnan natin. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe ka na rin po para stay connected tayo. Para naman po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka masagap ko ng energy nyo. At saka po pala Libra, maaaring energy mo to, energy ng taong connected sa'yo, or energy ng environment mo. Okay, past, present, and future, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. So, tingnan natin. For my Libra Collective, give me 3 cards please for my Libra Collective. Okay. Libra. Ganda ng Libra dito. Libra. Sana naman nakikita nyo. 3 cards for my Libra Collective, please. Ayaw magsalita. The Messenger of Air, the Tower card, at saka the Moon. Oh, Secrets. The Empress card at the bottom of the deck. So Libra, what do we have for you? Messenger of Air. There is a communication coming in, or merong pero ika-clarify ko muna each card. Okay. Sana naman na yung nakikita nyo. Messenger of Air, Tower card, tsaka the Moon. Clarify the Messenger of Air for my Libra Collective. Maybe 7 is significant. Okay. May gustong mag-message sa'yo dito, unexpectedly. Hindi mo ini-expect yung message na to kung sino man itong magko-communicate sa'yo. But be aware because this person is hiding something. Okay. Meron siyang hidden agenda. So Libra Collective, clarify the Messenger of Air. The Hangman. Either ikaw to or taong connected sa'yo, okay? The Hangman and the Ten of Pentacles. Clarify mo Tower card, 7 of Cups, Confusion card, 9 of Pentacles, Singleness, 8 of Cups, and the 3 of Wands. Okay, 9 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay. So, Libra, either ikaw or taong connected sa'yo or nasa environment mo. Okay. There is someone here, merong gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo dito. This person is stuck. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang stuck or yung taong. Ang The Hangman para sa akin, depende po sa reader ang cards. Okay. So, hindi lang po yung meaning niya at saka yung instruction niya sa libro ang binibase namin. Ang lahat po ng reader is may kanya-kanyang interpretation sa card. At saka gamit ang intuition. Okay. So, ang tingin ko dito, I perceive the Hangman as putting yourself in the position that you are stuck. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung may naglagay sa'yo sa position na yan, kaya ka stuck, or maybe ikaw ang naglagay sa sarili mo. Inalaw mo yung sarili mong ilagay dyan. Ilagay yung sarili mo sa position na ayaw mo. Okay, so titingnan na lang natin. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw mo. Merong communication dito na ilalagay ka sa position na ayaw mo kasi the Hangman is he's hang. Ibig sabihin, stuck siya. Okay, maybe in family or in something. Clarify more. Ten of Wands. You are heavily burdened on this thing. Okay, this is all about finances. I think ikaw ang magpo-provide or someone will provide or need something big. Okay, big about finances here. Okay. So, Ten of Wands, you are heavily burdened about this or someone is heavily burdened about this. Okay, but this Messenger of Air for me is a Knight of Swords in the tarot. Okay, in the original tarot. Okay, so Knight of Swords is communication ng Pakuro communication. Hindi naman alam kung anong magiging bunga, what I mean. Okay, so be careful with this person kung ikaw ang magko-communicate or ikaw may magko-communicate sa'yo. Okay, either way, but it's gonna be you are going to put yourself in the position na ayaw mo naman. Okay, na alam mong magiging burden ka, ma-feel mo yan, okay, sa sarili mo. Kasi I think finances is a very big thing here in this row. Okay, so with the hangman is meron siyang halo. Okay, so alam niya ang ginagawa niya, aware siya. Okay, so but aware din siyang may stuck siya, but this person do it anyway, or maybe this is you. Okay, so 10 of Wands, actually it's a mastery already. You are used to it, or maybe someone is used to it. So it is what it is. Okay, so it's a big deal here na ang big deal dito is about finances. So okay, you are going to provide something, or someone is going to provide, but ang pinaka theme ng row na to is finances. Okay, so you don't know where to put yourself here, or maybe this person don't know if hindi rin alam ng person na to kung ilalagay niya ang sarili niya sa posisyon na ganito. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko sa first row, Libra. Second row dito, unexpected. Okay, ang Tower card is unexpected or false foundation. It's a fake foundation, fake people, fake, everything is fake. Together with the Seven of Cups, options or confusion. Okay, maybe someone is fronting themselves that they can do their own thing, they can pay their own bills, but it's a false. Okay, together, Nine of Pentacles for me is independent card. Okay, they don't need anyone. They're looking good, they're beautiful, they are handsome or something. They can pay their own bills, they can do their own shits. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito. But with the Seven of Cups, it's all about confusion, it's all about illusion. Okay, so with the Tower card, it's a false thing. Kung ano man ang fina-front sa'yo or may nagpa-front sa'yo, it's not what you think it is. Because why ko nasabi yan, meron kang Moon card, the next to the Tower card. Okay, so the Moon card, it's not what you think it is. Kaya ako nasabi yun kasi the Moon card is all about hidden. Okay, it's all about secrets. Okay, kung merong nagpipretend sa'yo dito na okay siya, mayaman siya, or social climber siya, or what or something, it's not. Okay, give me more. Justice card. Okay, this person will reap their own karma. Okay, if they are doing bad, or they are just presenting themselves that they are not, makakatikim siya ng karma dito. Okay, either this is you or your person that you're connecting with, or environment mo. Okay, someone is pretending here. This is a false, this is an illusion, or merong kang someone na nag-create ng illusion. Okay, I mean, hindi nag-create, I mean, anong tawag yan? Pinapaniwala ka, or meron kang pinapaniwala that you are going to reap your karma, or maybe someone is going to reap their karma for doing this. Okay, because kung ano man yung sinasabi nila or anong pinapakita nila is not the truth. Okay, hindi totoo. So may mahahang dito, may mai-stuck dito dahil sa imagery na, or sa illusion, or sa sa kaplastikan, hindi plastic, what I mean, may mai-stuck dito dahil sa pag-pretend. Okay, pretending on something that you are not. Okay, so may stuck up dito, may kakagat dito. So siguro naman meron na siyang idea, pero nilagay niya pa rin yung sarili niya sa posisyon na ganyan. So it is what it is anyway. Justice is here, so it will reveal itself. Okay, so yun ang nakita ko sa second row, Libra. At saka the third row, the Moon card, Eight of Cups, at saka Three of Wands. You are waiting on something to walk away. Okay, Three of Wands is all about a waiting card. Meron ka lang hinihintay dito. Okay, meron lang maybe you are connecting with someone na may inihintay lang siya to walk away. Okay, because there is nothing there. Eight of Cups is walking away into something or into someone that doesn't no longer serving you. I mean, hindi na siya naka-align, wala nang kwenta, kumbaga boring na, hindi na tulad ng dati. Okay, but this person is hiding it or you are hiding it with someone. You are ready to move forward, okay? Or someone is ready to move forward, okay? Someone is going to be left behind, okay? Hindi ko alam kung meron kang iiwan or someone, may mag-iiwan sa'yo, I don't know. Okay, basta yun ang nakikita ko dito, but it's a secret. Okay, hindi ko alam kung may idea ka na or may hint ka or baka ikaw, yung taong connected sa'yo is may idea na siya or may hint na siya na Four of Wands, you are heading Three of Wands to the Four of Wands. Someone is going home, I don't know, together with the Devil card. Libra, if you are connecting with someone or you are living in with someone, okay, the Devil card is all about deception. Okay, there is a deception inside the home or there is a deception inside the workplace. I don't know what is it for you. Is this a coworker or this is about work or this is about home? I think this is about home because with the Four of Wands is a stability, celebration, but it's a false kind of thing. I think there is a deception happening here. There's a codependency happening here. So the other person needs to move or needs to go somewhere like walang peace of mind. Walang peace of mind if you are in a relationship or you are going to be in a relationship. It's gonna be toxic with the Devil card. Codependency, deception energy. So someone needs to walk away. Okay, someone needs to be left behind. Okay, someone is leaving here. When it regards to home place, workplace, I don't know, environment place, I don't know. But this is what I get here in the third row, Libra. Together with the Empress card at the bottom of the deck, at saka Nine of Cups. Someone is heading here to be their own. Empress card is a boss energy. They can do their own thing. They don't need anyone. Okay. So maybe this is you. You are embodying this energy or maybe someone that you are connecting with. Empress card, they know their worth. Alam nila kung sino sila. Alam nila kung anong worth nila. Lesson learned when the Empress card is more experience than you think. Okay, hindi magiging empress ang empress kung hindi niya pinagdaanan ng Four Queens. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang nakikita ko sa'yo, Libra. This person is going to get after what their heart desire or maybe you are going to go after what your heart's desire, Libra. Okay, so someone is secretly moving here, moving out, leaving the place or the person behind or the job or career or what or something because someone here is not, it's not what they say they was. Okay. At saka dito merong communication na alam mong mababurden ka. Okay, so it's up to you. Use your own discernment, use your intuition here, Libra, because this is a big thing. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna how it's gonna resonate with you or when it's gonna resonate with you, but time is fluid, past, present, and future. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Okay, but someone here has a secret to move forward by themselves. Okay, because kung ano man ang nangyayari sa loob ng bahay, ano man ang nangyayari sa loob ng workplace, kung saan man to, environment man to, community man to, there is a toxic kind of energy going around. It's very toxic already. Deception energy and codependency energy. What is the advice for my Libra, please? Someone is going to realize what is their worth. I mean, someone, sudden realization with the Empress card. Okay, magkakaroon ka ng isip na I can do it by my own, I live by my own, and I don't need anyone. Okay, kung sino man ang magpapack up ng peace of mind mo, you're going to remove it. Okay, kung sino ang hindi naka-align sa journey mo or sa energy mo, you're going to cut it off. Okay, silently with the Moon card. Okay, you're not telling anyone, but I think someone is feeling it. Okay, but I think may realization ka dito na you know your worth. Okay, nahulog siya. Wait lang. align your life. Okay nga. Yun nga. Kung sino man ang hindi naka-align sa'yo, you're going to remove yourself. Okay? So, what is not aligned or you need to change. Okay? So, yun ang advice sa'yo. Yun ang advice sa'yo, Libra. I think you need to move or someone will move. Someone will leave you behind or you are going to leave someone behind. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? Maybe the person you are connecting with, or maybe you need to set boundaries for yourself. Okay? For those people that they are pretending that they are someone that they are not. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano pa? Give me one card. Mirror. Who or what is triggering you? Mirroring. Okay, so you need to reflect. Okay, Libra, yun ang pinakamalakas na advice sa'yo. Align your life, mirroring, and boundaries. Okay, so yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo, Libra. Kukuha ako ng 3 numbers. I-google mo siya. Message angel number. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Give me 3 numbers for my Libra, please. What is the angel message number for my Libra? 10, 7. Meron kang queen dito. This is an feminine energy, old one, na nagpasa away sa makabilang buhay na, pero isa siya sa mga guardian angel mo. Okay. So, 2. 1072. Google mo yan, Libra. Angel message number 1072. Baka makaresonate sa'yo sitwasyon mo. So, thank you for being here. Naka-resonate ka, hit the thumbs up, comment below. Hit the notification bell na rin para po connected tayo, para po sa mga hindi maka-resonate. Better luck next time po. So, this is what I have for you, Libra. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.